Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll show you how to manage color scheme. In the beginning, let's go to options and now enter accessibility. Go to color profile settings and now you can enable colorblind mode. Adjust life bar, force bar, blocking bar, other bars, health regen and low health bars. Then you can adjust enemies, environment, subtitle color, all map colors, and in the end you can disable this function and reset all colors to default by pressing F button. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.